Hey guys, just coming at you here with a quick video showing you how to seal your intake for air for your cabin in case it's leaking water into the floor. I'll make another video showing the sunroof drain, but you can see, well, not really. There's a little bit of water in here, so what you're gonna want to do is come along and push out all these pins that are holding in your cover, I'd call it. And then you're going to want to take off your windshield wipers with two 13mm bolts here. Put some penetrating fluid on those and hit them with a hammer if they don't come off, and then you can kind of jiggle them until they come, and then you can pull off the cover. Then what you want to do is pull off this, and then there's another little piece right here, looks like this, that's blocking. Pull all that out and then thoroughly clean around here. To pull this off, there's 4 tabs on the inside. You just push them and it comes up. And then you're gonna want to take some silicone RTV, put it around that edge, clean off this gasket really well, and then put it around that edge. And then we can take it. It's hard to do this with one hand. It goes like this. Back on there, just gently set on there. And click it all in. And it should be good after you do that. If you seal it well enough, you can come back around and put more silicone around this edge to be 100% sure, but I'm gonna stick with that. I think it's good. I'm not even 100% sure it's leaking in here, but I know that that's one of the places it can leak, so I'm just fixing it while I'm in here. So thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to get back to you. Thanks.